back to my channel. This is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿。I know it's been a long time since I update like long time videos, but you know I have my own reason and I've been caught up by so many things. But now I'm back, and today, as you can see the title, we are gonna do conjunctions episode 2 because I feel if you master the using of conjunctions, you will be better at express yourself in Chinese. And today we are gonna learn 4 pairs of conjunctions. Now let's get started. And before we start our topic, I think you already know what I'm gonna do. I don't know when you watching this video, 今天天气怎么样? How is the weather today at your place? I think mine, especially now it's summer, 现在是夏天, it's freaking hot, 非常热, and it's like I think I can't live without air condition because it's too hot, 太热了, and during daytime, I usually 不出去, I don't go out. And when I am recording this video, I just finished lunch, 我刚吃了午饭, and I think I have lesson now. It's like 现在是1点04分, it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I have lessons at 2 o'clock. 我2点有课. So you can see 我最近很忙. I've been pretty busy recently. Don't know how you feel. 你们最近怎么样? And let me know in the comment zone. Okay, enough of chat. The first pair of conjunctions we are gonna learn today is 如果就. For example, I can say 如果明天下雨我就不去超市了。如果明天下雨，我就不去超市了。If 如果明天下雨 tomorrow is raining. Tomorrow 明天 tomorrow 下雨 raining. So it means if it rains tomorrow, 我就不去超市了。I will not go to the supermarket. 我就不去超市了。And sentence 2. 如果你不关注我的频道，我就不拍视频了。如果你不关注我的频道，我就不拍视频了。那关注 follow 频道 channel. So if you don't follow my channel, 我就不拍视频了。拍视频 means shooting videos. 那不拍视频 means no.means not shooting video. I mean, if you are not following my channel, then I won't record more videos. Kidding, I will do that. I will still do that even if there's only one person watching my channel. And sentence 3. 如果你不工作，如果你不工作，就没有钱生活。如果你不工作，就没有钱生活。如果你不工作，就没有钱生活。工作 means work, so 不工作 don't work. If you don't work, 就没有钱生活。钱 money, 生活 like to carry on your life. If you don't work, you won't have money to live. So basically, when we use this sentence pattern, 如果 A 就 B.In this sentence pattern, A is the condition or it's the reason why the result B happened. The second pair of conjunctions we are gonna learn is 无论 A 都 B. In here, 无论 means doesn't matter, no matter. So this whole sentence usually means no matter A, it won't change the result B. Like for example, whether it's raining or not, I will go to school. 无论下不下雨，下雨 raining, 下不下雨 raining or not. So it means doesn't matter raining or not. 我都要去学校，我都要去学校。I need to go to school. And for example, you can also say whether you are coming or not, I will go. I will go. So 去 不去 like 去 means go 去不去 go or not so it doesn't matter 无论你们去不去 you guys go or not 我都会去 I will go and the third sentence I got that a lot from my friends and my family it's like no matter what you choose to do we will support you 无论你想做什么我都会支持你无论你想做什么我都会支持你你想做什么 do what like 你想做什么 what do you want to do 我都会支持你支持 means support so now we can change the sentence from last paragraph I said if you don't follow my channel I will not record more videos again I'm saying如果你不关注我的频道，我就不拍视频了。But this time I want to say, no matter whether you are following my channel or not, I will still shooting videos. I will say, 无论你关不关注我的频道，无论你关不关注我的频道，我都会拍视频。But of course, I want you to follow my channel. And the third pair of conjunctions we're gonna learn today is 不仅 A 还 B 不仅 A 还 B Usually when we use this sentence pattern we mean the subject not only have the quality of A also have the quality of B For example 手机不仅能聊天还能点外卖手机不仅能聊天，还能点外卖。手机 means phones, and 不仅能聊天，聊天 is like chat. For example, we are chatting now. I kind of like chatting to my camera. 不仅能聊天，还能点外卖。点外卖，点 order like 外卖 takeaway. So your phone. 不仅 not only you can use it to chat, you can also use it to order some takeaway. And I do like to order takeaway a lot when I was in school, but now I was at home, so I got my family to prepare food for me, so I don't have to order takeaway. 点外卖，点外卖. Copy that. And the second sentence, if you already watched my last video about me going out to the traditional market, you will know that I like grapes and watermelons. So I can say 我不仅喜欢吃西瓜，还喜欢吃葡萄。我不仅喜欢吃西瓜，还喜欢吃葡萄。Me, I not only like eating watermelons, I also like eating 葡萄 grapes. Again, 我不仅喜欢吃西瓜，还喜欢吃葡萄。So now you can practice and you maybe change. If you also like watermelons and grapes, 西瓜和葡萄, you can use the same sentence. If you don't, you can replace them with two things that you like. One more sentence, I can say the supermarket is like not only selling food, they also sell clothes. So I can say 超市 supermarket. 超市不仅卖吃的，还卖衣服。超市不仅卖吃的，还卖衣服。卖 means sell, and 衣服 means clothes. So one more time. 超市不仅卖吃的，还卖衣服。Okay, now you can pause here and try to practice the sentence pattern. 不仅 A 还 B. And the first pair of conjunctions we're gonna learn today is 一边 A, 一边 B. When we use this sentence pattern, we mean the subject like he's doing two things at the same time, A and B. For example, I can say like for today, 我一边拍视频，一边上课。我一边拍视频，一边上课。拍视频 means shooting videos. 上课 means having lesson. So I mean when I was shooting video at the same time, I also having lessons maybe with my teachers and my classmates. 我一边拍视频，一边上课。 And maybe later when 2 o'clock 2点的时候 I need to start my lesson and I will start my video editing at the same time. 一边剪视频一边上课，一边剪视频，剪视频 means video editing. And the second sentence I can also say like for example my niece, she does that a lot. When she's eating, at the same time she is watching TV. 她一边吃饭eating，她一边吃饭一边 watch TV 看电视，看电视看 see watch 电视 TV。她一边吃饭一边看电视，她一边吃饭一边看电视。One more example, I can say 爸爸一边洗澡like shower. 爸爸一边洗澡一边唱歌 singing 唱歌 again. 爸爸一边洗澡一边唱歌。So now you can try to practice. For example, like now currently you are watching my video, but at the same time maybe you are chatting with your friend or you are eating something. Try to use them. And the last pair of conjunctions we're going to learn today is 只有 A 才 B. 只有 A 才 B. It means the A is the only condition that B can happen. For example, I always believe that if only I am working hard enough, I can realize my dream. 只有努力才能实现你的梦想。只有努力才能实现你的梦想。只有努力才能实现你的梦想。努力 means working hard, and 实现 realize 你的梦想。梦想 means dream. And the second sentence is also very useful because I do feel in our daily life, teamwork is really important too. So I can say 只有合作，合作 means co-work. 只有合作才能推动团队的进步。只有合作才能推动团队的进步。只有合作才能推动团队的进步。推动 means push. 团队 team, only by co-working like you can push the whole team forward. One more sentence is also the sentence I want to say to you guys. Only use your heart to feel your life, you will gain more happiness from that. 只有用心 use your heart, 心 heart 用心去感受生活，感受 feel life 生活。只有用心去感受生活，才能得到更多的快乐，更多的快乐。快乐 means happy， 那更多的快乐 more happiness. So I can say 只有用心去感受生活，才能获得更多的快乐。I wish you guys can keep that sentence in mind and use your heart to feel life. Maybe you can find, who knows, maybe you can find some surprise. So in conclusion, we learned 5 pairs of conjunctions today. First one is 如果 A 就 B. And in here, A is the condition or reason why B happened. For example, 如果明天下雨，我就不去超市了。如果明天下雨，我就不去超市了。If it's raining tomorrow, I will not go to the supermarket. And conjunctions 2, 无论 A 都 B. In here, it doesn't matter what A is, the result B won't change. For example, whether you are following my channel or not, I will still shooting videos. 无论你关不关注我的频道，我都会拍视频。无论你关不关注我的频道，我都会拍视频。Okay, now the third conjunction, 不仅 A 还 B. When we use this sentence pattern, we means the subject has the quality of both A and B. For example, your phone can not only chat, you can also use it to order takeaway. 手机不仅能聊天 chat, 还能点外卖 order takeaway. And conjunction 4, 一边 A 一边 B. These two things happen at the same time. For example, 我一边拍视频一边上课。我一边拍视频一边上课。Me like shooting the video and having lesson at the same time. Okay, last conjunction. 只有才，只有才，只有 A 才 B，只有 A 才 B means A is the only condition for B can happen. For example, only if you use your heart to feel your life, you can gain more happiness. 只有用心去感受生活，才能得到更多的快乐。Okay, maybe now you can repeat that sentence with me together. 只有用心去感受生活，才能得到更多的快乐。I say that sentence to me myself all the time, and I hope you do that too. Okay, that's pretty much all for today. Again, this is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿。If you do have more questions or any advice for me, you can leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. I will keep uploading more videos about Chinese learning. We'll see you next time. 下次见，拜拜。